guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is my absolute go-to look. This is basically what I do anytime that I'm kind of being lazy but I still want to get glammed up, and I absolutely love this look. It's so easy. To prime today, I'm going to be using the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. For foundation, I am going to go in with my tried and true. This is the Too Faced Peaches and Cream Comfort Matte Foundation. You guys, this is my absolute favorite foundation. I just cannot get enough of it. This is my second bottle of it, and it lasted me a solid about 6 months. So since September, I absolutely love this stuff. Okay, now we are going to go into concealer, and what I've been absolutely loving to do lately is using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Canelle, and then putting that underneath my eyes and my T-zone. And then what I will do is take my Beauty Blender, dip that into my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard, and just kind of coating that Beauty Blender and then just blending everything in, and I just love the finished look that it gives. Another one of my favorites is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This stuff is so amazing. Again, just like the foundation, this has lasted me a solid 6 months, and I still use it every single day because this is what really makes my makeup last. For bronzer, I have just recently discovered the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in the shade 351, I believe, or 35i. This bronzer is so amazing, and it blends so perfectly into the skin. And then to contour, I have been using my Park Ave Princess from Tarte. This palette is so great, so smooth, and so creamy. For blush, I am using the Lorac Buildable Blush in the shade Tinge. It is such a pretty, really light pink blush. Highlight, I'm using the Becca Light Chaser Highlighter, and this is in the shade Pearl Flashes Gold. It is such a pretty duochrome highlight that I picked up from Sephora. For the eyes, we are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Now in the crease, I have already used the shade Silk Cream just to have a perfect transition shade, and then we're going to deepen it up with the shade Pooter. Once we have blended out the shade Pooter, we are going to be going in with the shade Mocha on that outer V. And after we have done that, then we're going to deepen it up even more using a buffing brush, going into the shade Central Park. To line my waterline, we are going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the shade Brownout. And then for liner, I am just going to do a simple wing using the M Cosmetics Illustrative Brush Liner. For mascara, we are going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara in the shade Carbon Black. And last but not least, we are going to be using the Pixi by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip in the shade Matte Beige. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are seriously some of my absolute favorite products at the moment, and of course my go-to glam look. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!